Good morning to my lovely kids. Welcome to the EVS class. Today in our EVS class, we will revise chapter 7, Communication. I hope that you have done all the written part related to this chapter in your notebook. So, let's start our revision. We will start our revision with some new words. Our first new word is fax. Fax is a copy of a message which we want to send through the telephonic lines. अब ये कैसे भेजा जाता है? See, for sending fax we need fax machine. हम fax machine में वो अपना document या image रखते हैं. Fax machine copies that image and send it to the another fax machine जहां पर हम send करना चाहते हैं. Okay, and these messages are sent through telephonic lines. So our second word is internet. Internet, it is a worldwide system of connected computers. ठीक है, एक ऐसा सिस्टम है नेटवर्क का जिससे वर्ल्ड के सारे कंप्यूटर्स और दूसरे डिवाइसेस कनेक्टेड हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. दैट इज इंटरनेट. आवर थर्ड वर्ड इज ईमेल. Email means electronic mail. Whenever we send any mail through internet from one device to another device, that mail is called email because it has sent through electronic devices. So now let's start our question answers. Please open your notebooks where you have written the question answers. So, I hope you have opened. Our first question is, how does it help to write the PIN code in the address on a letter? See children, in our previous video, I have told you that writing PIN code with the address is very important. Whenever we are sending letter to anyone, it is very important to write PIN code in that. Why is it important? सी, जैसे ही आपके हाउस नंबर है ना, सबके घर का एक हाउस नंबर है जो बाहर लिखा रहता है नेम प्लेट पर. इफ समबडी हैज टू रीच टू आवर हाउस, तो वो कैसे पहुंचेगा? अगर हम उसको अपना हाउस नंबर बता देंगे तो उनके लिए इजी हो जाएगा हमारे घर तक पहुंचना. सेम वे अगर हम किसी को लेटर सेंड करते हैं या पार्सल सेंड करते हैं, तो पिन कोड अगर लिखा होगा उस सिटी का तो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा वहां पर सेंड करना. क्योंकि आई टोल्ड यू द साइकिल ऑफ लेटर. लेटर कैसे पहुंचता है? अब हमने लेटर बॉक्स में लेटर डाला, ठीक है. नाउ देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु विल पुट लेटर इन लेटर बॉक्सेस. अब सब एक जगह तो नहीं सेंड कर रहे होंगे ना. एज्यूम आई हैव सेंड टू पंजाब. Some other person will send a letter to Delhi. Some other person will send a letter to Karnataka. तो ऐसे काफी सारे लोग होंगे जो उस पोस्ट बॉक्स में लेटर डालेंगे और सबको डिफरेंट जगह पर लेटर्स भेजना हो सकता है. नाउ व्हेन द पोस्टमैन विल कलेक्ट द लेटर्स, अब उसके ऊपर एड्रेस देखकर वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लेगा कि इस लेटर को कहाँ भेजना है. बट कभी कभी क्या होता है, सम cities or some places have similar names, तो उससे कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो जाती है. तो इसलिए पिन कोड लिखना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि हर एक सिटी का अपना एक पिन कोड होता है. अब जैसे ही पोस्टमैन उसके ऊपर पिन कोड रीड करेगा, वैसे ही दैट पोस्टमैन विल गेट टू नो कि वेयर दैट लेटर हैज टू बी सेंट. ओके, सो sending the letter to the correct place, it is very important to write PIN code. Our second question is, what does a fax machine do? What does it do? I have already told you now in our new words. What is the function of fax machine? A fax machine copies message or documents or image and it sends to another fax machine और उस फैक्स मशीन से फिर प्रिंट आउट निकल जाता है. How is it sent? It is sent through telephone lines. The question is, name 3 means of mass communication. What is mass communication? Mass communication, tell me. When we communicate with so many people all together, that is called mass communication. जब एक मैसेज को एक साथ बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाता है, that is called mass communication. Now tell me examples of mass communication. So the most common example is television. Through television we get to know so much of information. अब ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि वो इंफॉर्मेशन सिर्फ हमें ही मिल रही है, वो इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंच रही होगी, बहुत सारे लोग टीवी देख रहे होंगे अपने घर पर. सो अब क्या हो रहा है, वन इंफॉर्मेशन सो मेनी पीपल, एक इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंच रही है. सो when one message or any information is sent to so many people, that is called mass communication. Now quickly tell me the another means of mass communication. और कौन कौन से तरीके हो सकते हैं? First, TV I have told you. Second, it can be newspaper. Third, radio. Our fourth question is, what are smartphones? Now, we all are using phones nowadays. The phones which we are using nowadays, which have internet and all the facilities like computer, those phones are smartphones. Okay, the phones which work like computer. आजकल कौन सा ऐसा वर्क है जो हम फोन से नहीं कर सकते? Our phones also have become very smart. So, the phones which can work like computer are smartphones, जिनमें हम इंटरनेट यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, व्हाट्सएप, यूट्यूब और बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशंस यूज कर सकते हैं. सो दीज फोन्स आर कॉल्ड स्मार्टफोन्स. लेट्स मूव टू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. नेम 2 things you can use to send an email. Now, how can you send an email? Electronic mail. I told you, for sending an email we need internet. अब इंटरनेट कहाँ होगा? कंप्यूटर्स, लैपटॉप्स पे या हमारे स्मार्टफोन से. सो एन ईमेल कैन बी सेंड थ्रू ईदर कंप्यूटर और स्मार्टफोन्स. फॉर सेंडिंग एन ईमेल व्हाट वी विल यूज? कंप्यूटर, laptop, smartphones. Okay, so now our question answers are over. I request you to open your book, chapter number 7, page number 34. Quickly open your book. Now, so let's start our revision of book exercise with the first part, which is oral questions. The first question is, what is an aerogram used for? Aerogram. Aerogram means air letter. Air letter. Air letter. Air से कुछ याद आया? Aeroplane. Aerogram. Aeroplane. मिलाओ दोनों को. Yes. तो aerogram is used to send any letter to another country. Whenever we have to send any letter to other country, then we use aerogram. Now quickly tell me the spelling of aerogram. A E R O G R A double M E. Once again, A E R O G R A double M E. Aerogram. Second question, What is the code for post office is called? What is the code of post office is called? जो मैंने बताया था सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है एड्रेस के साथ लिखना. What is that code called? It is called PIN. 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 PIN stands for Postal Index Number. What is the full form of PIN? Postal Index Number. Now tell me, what is the PIN code of your Rohtak city? If anybody has to send letter to you, which PIN code that person will write on the envelope? If you don't know, please watch the previous video carefully. The PIN code for our Rohtak city is 124001. Repeat, 124001. अब कितने digits हुए? 6. So in a PIN code we have 6 digits. Third question, what is the full form of SMS? SMS we send through phones now. What is the full form of SMS? S stands for short, M stands for message, again S stands for service. So SMS full form is short message service. Our fourth question is, what kind of communication is cinema? What kind of communication is cinema? अच्छा पहले इमेजिन करो होता क्या है सिनेमा. जब देखते वक्त सिनेमा हॉल में एक स्क्रीन है सामने, उसको बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं, तो क्या हो रहा है? एक इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंच रही है. What kind of communication is that? That is mass communication. Okay, so cinema is an example of mass communication. Now fifth question, name the worldwide system of connected computers. How all the computers are connected? I told you about a network through which all the computers and other devices are connected. That system is internet. Now let's start our part B, filling the blanks. You have to complete these sentences. So, the short form of postal index number is, अब तो आप लोग ये आइज बंद करके भी बता सकते हो. The short form of postal index number. See, क्या क्या कितने वर्ड्स हैं? 3 वर्ड्स हैं. पोस्टल इंडेक्स नंबर. हम पोस्टल का P लेंगे, इंडेक्स का I लेंगे और नंबर का N लेंगे. तो ये क्या बन गया? PIN. PIN. The short form of postal index number is PIN. Second, a person or a company that takes letter and parcels from one place to another place. Now, the person who takes a parcel from one place to another place. What is that person or that company called? That is called courier. You must have seen courier boy ना. जब भी कोई ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करो तो पार्सल आता है ना हमारे पास. वो पार्सल कौन सेंड करता है, कैसे आता है? वो पार्सल आता है courier कंपनी के थ्रू. एंड दैट पर्सन who delivers a parcel, that person is called courier. Third, landline phones are connected to, see, the mobile phones we are using, okay, क्या उससे कोई वायर कनेक्टेड होती है? No. बट जो लैंडलाइन फोन होते हैं, they all are connected to a wire. ठीक है, उनसे वायर्स कनेक्टेड होती है ना. So landline phones are connected to wires. Fourth is, sending a message to a large number of people is dash communication. Sending a message, one message large number of people. What kind of communication is that? Mass communication. Sending a message to a large number of people is called mass communication. Our fifth fill-up is we can send messages from computers and smartphones through the internet. Now, if we want to send any message from a computer, what do we need? We need an internet. If we want to send a message through WhatsApp, what do we need in our phone? Internet. Without internet, we'll not be able to send a message on WhatsApp or from the computer. If same way, if you want to send an email, then also you need an internet connection in your phone or in your computer. Okay. So let's start our part C, where you have to match both the columns. I request you to please put a hand on the second column. Okay. Then I will read the first part of that sentence. You have to complete. Okay. Don't cheat. Okay. I know you will not. So the first part is send a letter by speed post. If we want to send a letter by speed post, where will we go? We will go to post office. Second, read the news. Where do we read the news? Television. That is, we read news from newspaper. Third, watch a match played in England. If we want to watch a match which has been played in England, so where will we watch? That is television. Fourth, send an email. If we want to send an email, how will we send? Computer. So we can send mail from our mobile phones also, from our smartphones also, but here we have option of computer, so we will match computer. Okay, because from computer also we can send an email. Fifth, listen to the news. Listen, only listening to the news. ठीक है, हम देख नहीं सकते हैं, सिर्फ न्यूज सुन सकते हैं. On radio. Very good. That is part D. Tick the means of communication you will choose. Few situations have been given. Now you have to tell me which mean of communication you will choose in this situation. Okay, I'll give you two options for each question. You have to choose any one. First is, there is a fire and you need to call a fire engine. अब घर पर unfortunately घर पर कहीं पर आग लग गई है. So you need to call a fire engine. For calling, what will we use? Phone or speed post? क्या आप उस टाइम लेटर लिखोगे या फटाफट पोस्ट करोगे फायर इंजन के लिए? नहीं ना, we will call. We will use phone. Second, you need to say something to your friend who you know is asleep. अब if you कुछ याद आ गया आपको या कुछ आपको मैसेज सेंड करना है, okay, you want to send a message or you want to say something to your friend. ठीक है, अब पता है आपको that my friend is sleeping, रात के बहुत लेट हो गया है, वो सो रहा होगा. Now if you will call that friend, maybe वो एंग्री हो सकता है ना, maybe वो कॉल ना भी रिसीव करे. So बेटर क्या रहेगा? That we send a message, SMS or any WhatsApp message or any email. ठीक है. So from these two options, what will you choose? Phone or SMS? We will choose SMS. Third, you want to send photos to your friend in a far off place. Now, you want to send photos to your friend who stays far off place. या कोई अब्रॉड रहता है या काफी दूर रहता है. So what will we use? We will use email. ईमेल से तो क्विकली चली जाती है फोटोज, है ना, within seconds. But aerograms takes a lot of time. Okay, because First we will post that aerogram, then aerogram will be sent through aeroplanes, so it will take a lot of time, but with from email we can send any message quickly, so we will use email. Fourth is, you want to send your friend a card that you have made. Now assume that your friend's birthday was last week. You have made a card for your friend and you want to send that. What will we use? What will you use? You will use courier or fax? We will use courier service. Okay. Fifth is, you have lost your pet and you want people to help you find it. अब आपका pet गुम हो गया, you had a pet dog or any pet and you have lost that. So you want to tell people, please find my pet. आपको उनकी help चाहिए लोगों की. So how will you tell the people? How will you request the people? Either आप सबको phone करोगे. It is not possible to call each and every person, है ना? So that is better कि we send an advertisement in the newspaper. Newspaper में हम advertisement डालते हैं. Newspaper तो बहुत सारे लोग पढ़ते हैं ना. So we will use newspaper only. So this was our chapter number 7, communication, in which we have learned so many means of communication and we have learned how can we send a letter. If you have not seen the journey of the letter, I request you to watch the previous video and then read this chapter again. I'll meet you next time. By the time, do take care of yourself